I don't know if it's an unpopular opinion. Well, I can make it an unpopular opinion in the context of this podcast, but like, I feel like Python 3.11 is trying to copy some of the better syntactic features of Go for relevance. And the part where I think it's an unpopular opinion is I could see a world where it continues or further dominates in like programming language market share by just stealing a couple of decent ideas and like continuing to live as the lazy person's scripting language.
So if you have to summarize that into a tweet that we can vote upon.
If I had to tweet this out, like 140 characters, just be Python 3.11 is going to kill Go, which is
okay.
Which is probably going to make it high in the unpopular opinion board.
It's super unpopular. It's not that I agree with it, but I'm saying like if you just you steal a couple of ideas and then the laziest freaking programming language that most people use to like just kind of script their way out of a paper bag suddenly has a couple of like the nice features of Go, and you go, just stick around here until I'm ready to wade into the pool of being an actual good developer. I'm gonna just be cool over here, right?